guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with this quick glueless wig install from Sunber. I'm gonna link everything in the description in case you guys are interested. This wig came with curly baby hairs. I'm gonna just briefly zoom in for you guys because I have no hair out. Everything is in. This is a glueless wig. It's not glued down with no glue, no nothing, no got to be, no nothing. If you wanted more defined baby hairs, you could. I wanted that messy baby hair look that made the hairline look as natural as possible. I actually went for like more of a free fall, free part. It's not a dedicated part, but you can, you know, make a dedicated part if you want to. I personally feel like wigs, or better yet curly wigs, they last longer if you just kind of let them do what they're gonna do. Like I could throw it over to the side if I so wanted to. So I absolutely love this color, love this hairstyle. Like I said, free part, free fall. You kind of just let it do what it wants to do. At that point you can manipulate it and do a lot more stuff if I didn't have a dedicated part. It is a frontal. I absolutely love this. I think this hair color is going to be perfect for the fall. I hope you guys enjoy this beginner friendly wig install, and let's just hop straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
You guys, I'm back with another wig install. Your girl's makeup looks amazing. This wig company's name is Sunber. This is the packaging. Okay, I'm gonna just briefly show you guys what comes inside of it. The wig is 24 inches. Dust bag, 2 wig caps. Absolutely love that. And then you get a bag of goodies. So let me just briefly show you guys what comes in here. Scarf, a little bronzer brush that I will be using. So I absolutely love it. I like how their logo isn't plastered all over it, so I can kind of like utilize it whenever I need a melt belt. Look at this color. It's gorgeous. The edges are curly. Everything just looks so good. Inside construction. Okay. What I'm gonna do is cut this bottom lace off, and then I'm gonna try on the wig. I think that I low-key wanna cut off the edge and like throw it on, kind of make it like a glueless wig install, because normally with curly wigs I just like them just to be able to put them on. So I'm gonna just cut this bottom piece off and I'll be right back. Okay, so I literally just cut the back little strap off. I'm going to put it on my head. Like I said, I low-key want to wear this wig glueless. For me, when it comes to curly units, they're just so much easier, and I just like to throw on wigs and go. What I'm gonna do, because like I said, I want to wear this wig glueless. I'm about to cut this lace as close to the hairline as I can without cutting the hairline off. So what I like to do, just so you guys are aware, I'll just put my finger here and then I'll just cut, you know, where I see the hair. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, so what I did was I just simply clipped the adjustable straps together. Instead of clipping it here, I clipped it here. I low-key think I'm going to take off the wig cap because I feel like with the wig cap you're gonna see it through the hair. I'm trying to make this as easy as possible. And when I washed it, I did bleach the knots. Granted, this is the hair color. I bleached the knots and I plucked the hairline, and when I let it dry, I let it dry upside down for the fullness. Okay. It does have side clips, so today I will be utilizing them. Normally I don't, but for the sake of not wanting the wig to go anywhere, I will. So just so you guys can see what the curl pattern is looking like, if you felt a little self-conscious, mind you, I don't feel like this wig is going anywhere, you could swoosh baby hairs. Swooshing the baby hairs with some type of got to be or super hold will help hide your edges, but I do see that there are curly, they've got like curly baby hairs. So I'm going to just bring them forward. I absolutely love the way this unit looks. To me, it looks completely natural. You can either, you know, free fall it and have it like that, but I think I want to dedicate it, or, you know, as much of a middle part as I can get without compromising the curl pattern, because I want you guys to know the least work you do, the longer the hairstyle is gonna last. But I absolutely love it. I feel like the girl brave. I think it's really cute. So you do got a bunch of parting space on the side. You got about this much parting space, so if you wanted to put your hair in like a half up, half down, you definitely could. But I'm just going to finger curl my hair. I'm loving these curls. The curl pattern is absolutely beautiful. What I love is the length, because I wanted to put like low-key layers in it, but I do feel like the closure and the bundles, I mean the frontal and the bundles are kind of two different lengths, so it kind of mimics that, what is it called, like layered effect. I think that this hair is gorgeous. I kind of want to stop here. Normally I like really big hair, but I think that this looks so gorgeous and so natural. I absolutely loved the fact that the hairline was giving curly baby hairs, because that right now is the thing of now. Like, that's viral, that's trendy. Curly hairline allows you to hide your lace without having to do too much, because some girls don't like to slick baby hairs down, and I'm one of those girls who don't really know how to slick baby hairs down. So this little curly hairline definitely allows for flexibility when it comes to styling. It just makes it look ultimately super natural, and all I did was kind of made it messy and brought it forward. Like I said, if you wanted to do a better job at styling the hair, I think you definitely could, but for me, when it comes to curly wigs, the least I do, the more I can just throw it on and go. Like, I don't feel like this wig is going anywhere. It feels secure. I utilized all 3 combs, and like I said, I attached the elastic band, so I really love it. Y'all know me, I absolutely love extremely full and big hair, so I would just continue to make the hair bigger and fuller. When it comes to shedding, I didn't experience any shedding. I haven't experienced any tangling yet, but I just got the wig on my head. Typically, if I'm going to experience tangling, it's going to be at the nape of the neck. So like I said, the least products you put in your hair, the better, the more it's gonna last, because some people are like, oh, the wigs don't last, and you're probably just doing too much. You're trying to get this long hair regimen, and wigs don't really need that much. Like, the least you do, the better. When you're sitting here trying to style it up every day and make it appear like it's your hair, you're just doing too much. Like, it's a wig, and the front follicles are either single or double knotted on there, so you gotta do the least. This color is perfect for the fall. I absolutely love this wig. Like I said, I will definitely order again from this company. They have exceeded my expectations. This wig is bomb. The lace is bomb. Definitely melty, like, you know what I mean. This is bomb. This is cute. And I'm absolutely here for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick, beginner friendly throw in and go wig. This is going to be a go-to for me. You guys are going to see it all over my TikTok, because like, when wigs are just easy to throw on and put on, it just makes me so damn happy. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.